I work for the Department of Higher Education, as my colleague has already mentioned. Can I please ask again, what is an artisan? By a raise of hand. What is an artisan? You guys were not listening. Okay. Can you give me this? Thank you, colleagues. Okay, I'm going to touch on the occupational qualification. The department is now trying to do away with your N1, N2, N3. Okay, now I'm confusing you. You don't know anything about the N1, N2, N3 because you are not there yet. But just for a piece of advice, because maybe I'm not even supposed to touch on that. We are implementing the occupational qualification in TVET colleges. By the way, you do not go to TVET college because your marks are not that wow. Yeah. We need your intellectual in TVET colleges. We've got a trade called water technology. We've got automobile technology, we've got robotics. Okay. For you to master that, hence we need your maths and science. That 40% that my colleague just told you about, we do not need just only 40%. 40% is a minimum. So we must just do away with the stigma that maybe if you go to a TVET college, it's because you are from a disadvantaged background. Your parents don't have money. Or your marks are not that wow, as I can just call it that way. No, artisanship must be a career of choice. You know, you're always helping your uncle fixing imoto. But now, because this guy next to you wants to